One of these things is not like the other. Here's what I mean. On my right, I have a traditional blow dryer, and on my left, I have the RevAir. And a question that I am often asked is, how does the RevAir compare to a traditional dryer? So let's first touch on what they have in common. Both of these use heated air to dry and style your hair. And that's pretty much where the similarities end. Now, I am no engineer, but according to my trusty sources at Google, a traditional dryer uses a motor-driven fan and some sort of metal or ceramic heating element to transform electric energy into convective heat. And then that heat is blasted onto your hair to dry or style it. But now here is the problem. The friction from a traditional dryer can actually damage the hair shaft and cause frizz, split ends, and breakage. Not to mention the high heat of most dryers, which is around 120 degrees Celsius or 248 degrees Fahrenheit, can cause dry, brittle hair, scalp damage, and even color fading. Ew. RevAir, on the other hand, uses a vacuum motor and a heater to inject a small amount of heated air into the incoming airstream. RevAir also has an internal temperature sensor to maintain even heat throughout the entire drying experience. So rather than just blasting hot air onto the hair strands, RevAir gently draws the moisture out using suction and the heated airstream. The reverse airflow seals the cuticle in its natural direction, and because it's friction-free, your hair's shine, strength, color, and overall health is preserved. Oh, but it gets better! Heated suction is actually ideal for infusing nutrient-rich hair products into the hair strand, which is a game changer for low porosity hair like mine. The low heat factor is also really good news for people with curly coily hair because it means that using RevAir will not impact the natural curl pattern. Not to mention RevAir does all the work for you. I mean, it's so easy, even a child could use it. I could go on and on and on, but I think you get the point. So to circle back to my question at the beginning, how does the RevAir compare to a traditional dryer? The answer is it doesn't. It's in a league of its own, hello. So elevate your drying experience and ditch the hair fryer for a RevAir Lutionary dryer. If you would like to learn more about all things RevAir, head on over to myrevair.com. Oh baby, you didn't stand a chance.